The Nicol Drive North Extension project is stage one of the new infrastructure project for the Geelong Future Economy Precinct here at Warm Ponds, Deakin University campus. Expanding our road network and underground services infrastructure will improve traffic access and egress, facilitate research growth and position the university to take advantage of commercial research partnership opportunities. Deakin's Infrastructure and Property Group is leading the project and is proactive in embedding sustainable solutions into all of our construction projects. After thorough investigation for a more sustainable way to construct and maintain our roads, the project team committed to the use of down and sustainable asphalt product, Reconophalt. The Reconophalt used in the Nicol Drive North Extension project will incorporate 165,000 plastic bags or packaging equivalents, toner waste from 3,700 toner cartridges, and 41 tonnes of reclaimed asphalt. We expect this sustainable pavement to outperform traditional asphalt and are proud to be using a product that reduces landfill waste and supports the circular economy. This is a great example of effective collaboration between the Infrastructure and Property Group and Campus Services in our ability to deliver on our sustainability commitment for Deakin University.